we'll show you how we made a whopping $164,000 in just 15 minutes using TikTok Shop and AI technology. In this video, we'll show you how he made $164,000 in just 15 minutes using faceless AI videos and his TikTok Shop. Don't worry if you don't have TikTok in your country or can't access the TikTok Shop. I will explain the solution later in the video. I got interested in this because I kept hearing about teenagers making more money than doctors by posting simple AI videos on TikTok and Instagram. I was skeptical at first, but decided to check it out for myself. The first thing I did was use a tool called CaloData to see how much these kids actually earned. This video is not sponsored by them, but provides great insight, and found that one particular video has earned him over $164,000 in the past 3 months. This works out to him about 8 cents per 2 million views. At first I thought this was an outlier, but the account wasn't even a big influencer. It was a small, faceless account. Here's the video.
If you feel tired all the time, take sea moss to boost your energy. If you're always craving sugar, take black seed oil to reset your metabolism. If you keep getting sick, take Manuka honey to boost your immune system. And if you struggle with stress and anxiety, take ashwagandha to calm your body. This multi-mineral combines all these wonderful herbs in their purest form. Just go to the TikTok shop below and you can purchase yours.
With AI, anyone can create a video like this in under 10 minutes. And this doesn't just apply to TikTok. This strategy also applies to Instagram. We found Instagram accounts with similar videos with 50 and 30 million views. If you converted at 8 cents per view like the TikTok video, you could make about $4 million. Even at half that rate, you'd make $2 million, and even at the lowest price of just 1 cent per view, you'd make $500,000. Now, let's get to work. The first step is finding a successful product. In the TikTok Shop, CaloData has a treasure trove of successful products. This video focuses on health and supplements that are blowing up on social media. Look at Liver King. He built his net worth of $310 million by selling nutritional supplements online without producing on a large scale. Once we have a proven product, we investigate its ingredients, properties, etc. Next, create a script that deconstructs the video's content. This script is very important because it will be used for voiceover and B-roll footage. First, create a script in Google Docs. The script should help you sell your product. Therefore, it is important to find a proven product. Take a look at the video that brought in $164,000. The first part is the hook, which captures attention by addressing a common problem and offering a solution. For example, if you feel tired all the time, try consuming seaweed to boost your energy. This is effective because it addresses common problems and offers unknown but interesting solutions. Next, use ChatGPT to list the benefits of each ingredient in your product. For example, ashwagandha improves sleep quality, so if you're having trouble sleeping, take ashwagandha to improve your sleep and treat insomnia. Other ingredients like turmeric for skin and vitamin C for immunity, please repeat this process again. Introduce your product by saying something like, "This supplement combines all these minerals in one, so you can reap the benefits." Visit the TikTok Shop link below to get your product now. AI-generated images for each row. Generate ultra-high resolution 3D images using ChatGPT. For example, the line, "When you feel tired all the time," asks for a picture of a tired person with an expressive face. Take ashwagandha involves adding green powder in a wooden bowl to create an image of green plants in the forest. For each line of the script, she continues creating images one by one until an image is created. Make sure each image is only 2 seconds long to capture the viewer's attention. Next, create the audio using ElevenLabs. Copy and paste your script and choose a voice like the social media favorite, Adam. Adjust the language settings as needed and export the audio to add it to your Google Drive folder. Use CapCut for video editing. Create a new project, upload your audio, and drag your AI-generated images into it. Make sure the images match the content of the narration. Use screenshots or screen recording clips of existing videos for your product segments. Add dynamism to your videos by adding transitions. Examples: sliding, wiping, or wiggling motions. Finally, add subtitles using CapCut's automatic subtitle feature. Keep subtitles short, word by word, or line by line to keep the focus on the video content. Here's a comparison. The original video made $164,000 and made in less than 10 minutes. Original. If you're constantly feeling tired, take seaweed to boost your energy. If you're always craving sugar, take black seed oil to restart your metabolism. Always, if you get sick, take Manuka honey to boost your immune system. And if you suffer from stress or anxiety, take ashwagandha to calm your body. This multi-mineral combines all these wonderful herbs in their purest form. Visit the TikTok store below to purchase. Our version. If you can't sleep, take ashwagandha to treat your insomnia. If you have dry skin, try turmeric to prevent acne or eczema. If you feel sick, take vitamin C to boost your immune system. This supplement combines all these minerals into one so you can reap the benefits. Just go to the TikTok shop below and get yours today. We just made a potential $164,000 video in less than 10 minutes without showing our face. Sync your TikTok or Instagram with your product and start making money. If TikTok isn't available in your country, partner with someone who has access. You can split the profits and both benefit. I'm creating a community for people to network and find opportunities like this. It'll be free to join. Check the link below to join and let me know what you think of this TikTok shop idea. I have many more case studies of people making huge amounts from TikTok shop. I'll provide an update in a month, but let me know what content you want to see next. Thanks for watching MoneyMind AI.